If you are running a cocktail bar business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your cocktail bar business. Now managing tasks like sharing happy hour timing details, booking tables for customers and showing cocktails menu would be time consuming for you. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. Welcome to my screen everyone. As you can see, this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow, and it will automate my cocktail bar business by handling tasks like automatically sharing happy hour details, showing the drink menu, and even helping customers book a table all directly through WhatsApp. This is not only saves time but also gives customer a quick and smooth experience without having to call or wait for responses. But before showing you the step-by-step process of how to build this chatbot, I'll show you a real-time example of how this bot works. For that, I'll take you to my WhatsApp screen. I've already connected this WhatsApp number to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now I send a simple hi and let's see what happens. And as you can see, our chatbot instantly responds with this welcome message. Welcome to Mixology Launch. We thrilled to have you here. Whether you are looking for a perfect cocktail, book a table, or just want to know when the happy hour begins, we've got you covered. Please choose an option below, and I'm getting 3 options: happy hour, drinks menu, and book a table. If I select happy hour, I'm getting all the happy hour details. Now by using this button, yes book now, I can book a table as well. So I go ahead and tap on this button. Now it is asking me for the details like name, date and time of visit, total number of guests, and as you can see, now it is showing me a customized thank you message where I can see my entered details like date and time of visit and number of guests. Now if I go back to welcome message and click on this drinks menu, I'm getting a complete list of cocktails menu. If I tap on this open list, I can see the complete list of cocktails and their prices. So that's how our chatbot works. If you also want to build this chatbot, then you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before we start creating our chatbot, let's change the flow name first. Now on the left side, you will see 2 main options, messages and actions. And these all options are basically nodes we are going to use to create our chat flow. And this node right here is the starting point. It's where the chatbot gets triggered and send a message to the user. In this keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user types that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. With the choose template, you can select and use any pre-approved templates. We are going to use universal regex, which means it will capture any response typed by the user and trigger our chatbot automatically. To make sure it works accurately, we will enable case sensitivity using this option right here. Now let's start creating our chatbot. So first I will create a welcome message. For that, I just need to drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. By using this node, I can create a message and create a quick reply buttons. So first I will create a welcome message. As you can see, I've created a welcome message, and in this message you can see these asterisk symbol. Basically, we are using these asterisk symbols to make our font bold. You just need to type any text between these two asterisk symbols and it will going to be bold. After this, I will create 3 buttons. One to check happy hour details, one to check drinks menu, and one to book a table. Now let's create further response for this first quick reply button. For that, I just need to drag and drop this option like previously and select text plus button. Now I will create a message. As you can see, this message contains all the required details for happy hour. Now I will create 2 buttons, one to book a table and one to go back to menu. I will create response for this first quick reply button in few minutes, but before that I will connect this main menu button to our welcome message like this. So people can return back or basically redirect it to our first message if they click on this button. Now I will create response for this second quick reply button, which is drinks menu. For that, I will drag and drop this option like this and select list button. By using this list node, I can present the cocktails properly, making it easier for user to choose. Now I will create a header. Now body. Now to add cocktails in this list, you just need to tap on this add section button. Now I will give a section title. Now I will tap on this add items. As you can see, I've entered a one cocktail. Now I will enter a price or basically description. By using same method, I will enter few more cocktails. Now after this, we can preview our message, how it will look to our user by using this I button. As you can see, our messages look like this. Now if I tap on this open list, I can see a complete list of cocktails. Now I will create response for our third quick reply button, which is book a table. For that, I need to ask question from the users and store their details. For that, I will use ask question node from actions. I just need to drag and drop this option like this. And by using this node, I can ask question from the user and store their responses in this contact custom field. If you also want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the description box. But for now, I will create a message first. As you can see in the first question, I'm asking for their name. Now I will select a contact custom field as full name and format as any. Now instead of dragging and dropping this option from actions, I will use this copy button to create duplicate of the same node. As you can see, I've created 2 copies of the same node. Now I will change the message. Now I'm asking for the date and time of visit, and I will change the contact custom field as well. And in the third question, I'm asking for the number of guests. I will also change the contact custom field name. Now before proceeding further, I will connect these nodes to their previous nodes like this. And our first question to our quick reply button. Now after getting these details, I want to create a customized thank you message. For that, I just need to drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. As you can see, this is our thank you message, and in this message you can see this dollar symbol and the contact custom field name. Basically, if you want to show the data present in the particular contact custom field, like for example schedule, you just need to use dollar symbol followed by the particular contact custom field name, and whatever the data present in that particular contact custom field will show here. After this, I will connect this button, yes, book now button basically, to our first question like this. And don't forget to save your flow by using this save button. And as you can see, our chatbot is completed. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbot for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.